Hello, I am ANITA KABA, a lead coordinator at Mint Innovations Limited. Mint Innovations is a robotics and artificial intelligence company in Ghana. As part of our operations, we run a robotics center for basic school students and a skills development program for senior high school students in Ghana. We teach and provide practical STEM activities to these students to enable them both on their engineering and technological skills needed to survive in the 21st century. I believe in practical STEM education because it helps broaden the perspectives and expertise of students to enable them design solutions to problems facing the world. It is important to my organization that young Ghanaians gain practical STEM knowledge because it helps build on their inner desire for answers, which only means a better Ghana and future for all of us. GH4STEM.
Is your organization making meaningful contributions in practical science, technology, engineering or mathematics, in the learning space and in education in general? Or are you a change maker who is promoting or using STEM to accelerate Ghana's development? Let us share your unique way of using STEM with the world. Reach us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram at WeGoInnovate, or visit our website at www.wegoinnovate.org.